Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a general reading for Aquarius. This is from 16th of May to 31st of May. So this is a general reading guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. So we'll see what are the challenges, guidance and obstacles are coming in for you from 16th of May to 31st of May. Okay, so what are the challenges coming in for Aquarius? All right. Okay, what is the guidance for Aquarius? 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 16th to 31st of May. Okay, what's the guidance for Aquarius? What's happening? Okay, what is the probable outcome by 31st of May or end of May? Alright, I think one more card flipped. Okay, so bottom of the deck we have 7 of Pentacles. It's like you are waiting for something to work out, or you're waiting for a reward, you're waiting for an outcome. It can be in your work, it can be in your relation, that now you are like, I have put in my efforts, I have done everything I was supposed to do, and now I want to see the rewards, I want to see the outcome, right? So yeah, that is somewhere is deep down running in your mind or in your head. Okay, let's see what's the obstacle coming in for you, Aquarius. So obstacle here I think is you are somewhere planning to make a move towards someone. Mainly I see this is at an emotional level. Okay, I see you're looking for making a move towards someone, but you are not actually doing it. I think that's what is happening, that you think you have put in the efforts, now you want the other person to put the efforts also, and that is what you are being on a waiting thing is kind of causing this challenge, this irritation, frustration, that how long do I need to wait, why the person is not making a move, why the person is not reaching out, why things are not turning out how they should, why the things are too slow, right? So somewhere I think that is what is causing the issue. Actually the issue is not as big as sometimes it looks, right? So yeah, waiting is somewhere causing this frustration, this anxiety, and because of which somewhere you are like it's disturbing your emotions. You may not be having a peaceful sleep, and somewhere it's causing emotional fluctuations also, like mood swings you might be going through. Yeah, you need to listen to your intuition here. Okay, let's see the guidance. Sorry. So the guidance here is the Ace of Swords. So you see, whatever is running in your mind, that frustration I was saying, right? Whatever is running in your mind, you need to just speak out whatever you want. I don't know why most of the cards is coming that you need to be vocal. Same is for you, Aquarius, that you need to be vocal for whatever is bothering you, but you have to be very mindful of the way you are communicating. Okay, you need to be very careful with the kind of words you use when you are expressing what is bothering you. You need to be very mindful of the tone you are using when you are communicating your feelings or whatever the issue you are going through. Okay, you have to be very polite, you have to be very gentle, and you have to be very clear in your communication. So once you know that what you have to speak, how you have to speak, and when you have to speak, things definitely will turn out in your favor. Okay, so it's a very positive card, but it also says that whatever is important, that should, and whenever it is required to be spoken, you need to speak that. Okay, just focus on your communication, try to figure out a very mature way of sharing what is running in your mind, and see how things turns out. Okay, so the outcome here is the Emperor. Emperor is basically that, see, as I said, you need to be very mindful of the way you are communicating. If you communicate in a way which the other person might say, okay, the Aquarius is trying to be dominating, the Aquarius is trying to control me, Aquarius is trying to instruct me, it will not turn in your favor. It will definitely go in a different way or in a wrong direction, right? So once you know how to communicate, things will not be as difficult as it otherwise be. Okay, so you have to be very mindful, because things might initially, it might be like something is like very, the outcome may not be as smooth, as positive as you expect, but it will be in your favor. But you do not have to, it's basically, you need to be fearless, you need to be confident, okay, that whatever I have said is what I actually meant to, and I am not afraid of the outcome. Okay, so you need to be you need to be very careful when you do that, when you speak out. And as I said, you need to be very mature. Okay, you need to use your, your what do you say, your knowledge and your wisdom when you are communicating. Okay, so it should not be disrespectful to anyone, it should not feel like controlling and dominating to the other person. At the same time, you are sharing what is bothering you. Okay, so it may be, the outcome may not be as expected as I said, but at least you will have that satisfaction that whatever was bothering you, at least you spoke that out, right? So yeah, so that's the energy for you, Aquarius. If you want me to do a detailed reading, please do let me know in the comment section. And for daily tarot insights, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye bye.